Hello friends, this is how our sensor will detect the voice and blinking the LED on off. So for this we will make a circuit by using a mic. This is a sound sensor we can say. So here I am placing a sound sensor and that will be pull up. What is pull up? You must know that, so just go and check the video. To the pull down side I am connecting 2.2 kilo ohms because our pull up resistor, that means our mic is having resistance approximately 1.5 or 2k at room temperature. So what here I'm doing is I'm placing BC547 and the mic and 2.2k will make a voltage divider and the point is connected to the base. So when the resistance is changes across the mic, it will turn on or off our BC547. Okay, so VCC is given to the one end of mic, another end is connected to 2.2k. Emitter will connect to the ground side, and yes, another end of 2.2k we will connect to the ground side as well. And here we have done with the connection. Now we need to check the output. For that purpose I am connecting one LED negative towards the collector, positive towards the VCC through 330 ohms. Now I have given 5 volts over here, and here we go. This is how our mic will change its resistance, and result will change in the resistance across it, which will drive the transistor on and off. And our circuit will allow, like our collector will turn on and off the LED according to the change in resistance. Now you can see we have one mic over here which is connected between the 2.2k. You can see red. And how to check the resistance value by color code, just go and check the video. It's connected to the ground is connected to the emitter of transistor. LED will connect to the collector, positive towards the VCC through 330 ohms and negative towards the collector. Base is driven by the voltage divider, and this is how the connection is all about. Now if you do any sound movement, then it will change its resistance. Now the thing is, if you want to turn on and off your circuit, it will happen by using this circuit, and you have to use the relay over here. Now I'll show like what's the resistance across the mic. Just connect two probes of the multimeter to a mic. You will see 1.5k is the resistance, and this is how the circuit will work. If you like the ideas and the circuit and information, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.